Hi guys, this is Tarun Gautam Gangarapu. Today we will be studying about awk. Why we choose awk? We often see there is very less material over the internet on how awk functions. Though we have some good ones, but there are no good videos. So we thought of doing awk. I have my environment set up. I have my environment set up with Visual Studio Code. And this is our first video. In this video we will be looking at our prerequisites and what is awk. Okay, yeah. Coming to prerequisites, one should have basic understanding of Unix commands, basic Unix commands, and you should have a simple Linux sandbox. You can have Ubuntu, Kali Linux, or Red Hat. If you see any of the Linux distributions, awk is pre-installed in most of the cases. So far, I observed. You can check your awk status just by typing awk, and this will show you some report like this. Um, yep, we are good with awk. We can run our awk going forward. Yeah, what is this awk? Awk is an text processing utility tool. It's an interpreter. Awk is an interpreting tool, and this tool is particularly used for any data which is in tabular format. Say if you have data in your CSV file or some other file where you can have all the data in a tabular format. In all those cases, you can use awk for producing formatted text reports, performing arithmetic operations, performing string operations, and even uh, one biggest example of your tabular format data while using Unix is LSF and LRT. Even this is an tabular format, this first column, second column, third. This is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This way, we can say it's a tabular column, and you have, say, suppose you have some data like this. Even this is also a tabular column data. In all these cases, if you want to perform any operations like summing up a few numbers or getting some average or doing some string operations on this, you can use awk. Yep, we will be running our basic awk command now. Just ls-lrt awk print $0. Yeah, let's first dissect this. ls-lrt, obviously you people might know, it will just print all the contents in the directory. And I'm just using pipe symbol, and I'm just using awk print $0. $0 means it prints the entire line. The other way you can print the entire line is just by not specifying any of the column. ls-lrt awk print. This will give the same output as the above. Uh, don't get confused or don't get worried if you see $0, what all these things, you will come to understand little later. Uh, but it's simply a column reference. Say, suppose if you want to get only this column data, you just need to mention the column number. The column number for this is 9. Let's see. LSFNLRT of print $9. Yep. See, only we are getting this. The default delimiter is space. Going forward, we will learn how to customize these delimiters and how to get our field level delimiters specific. specific outputs, etc. We will work on it. Thanks guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.